Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, May 29th, 2018. I hope everyone had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. And now we head back to a work week with more cloudy skies, more threats for tropical downpours, and a wide range in temperatures ranging from the 60s to the 80s, depending on where frontal boundaries set up. So basically, rinse and repeat. For today, we're going to be on the warmer side of this frontal boundary with temperatures already in the lower to mid 60s along the coast, mid to upper 60s in your urban areas with some low clouds and fog sprinkled throughout the region as well. Visibility generally between 2 to 4 miles in the fog. Outside of the fog, visibility over 6 miles with overcast skies and a bit of an increase in humidity as tropical air is invading the region. Winds right now are light and variable, but they will develop out of the southwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour. We're already starting to see that a little bit right along the immediate coast here. On the latest surface map, this high pressure system is in control right now, and this high pressure system will shift off the coast today, producing a southwesterly wind, and of course, the influx of the warmer air. That's why our temperatures today will rise into the upper 70s to lower 80s over much of the region. A few mid-80s are possible where we get some breaks of sun. However, this high-pressure system will take control tonight on through tomorrow morning, and that's going to lead to winds backing to the southeast and then to the east. This frontal boundary will pretty much just wash out, really won't be much of a factor. However, as we start to set up a new stationary front with the remnants of Alberto lifting up into the Tennessee River Valley, that's going to lead to the potential for showers that are going to feature tropical downpours, heavy downpours, but will not be widespread. So it won't be a continuous period of rainfall for the rest of the week and into the weekend, but any of these showers that do impact your location will be capable of some very heavy downpours and the potential for some urban and flash flooding. On the radar right now, pretty much high and dry, not much going on. We do have a few isolated showers down here towards Washington and Baltimore, but a lot of this is not really producing much in the way of rainfall, as all your lifting is focused well to the southeast. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see the remnants of Alberto lifting up into the Tennessee River Valley. It's still a subtropical depression. Again, it has features of extratropical and tropical, which is this cluster right here, and that's why it's called subtropical. And this feature will continue to lift northward and eventually become entrained in the 500 millibar pattern. It will not have a direct impact on the northern mid-Atlantic, but will introduce more tropical moisture in the atmosphere, thus leading to the potential for some heavy downpours at times. So let's dive into this forecast for today. The frontal boundary will pretty much wash out. High pressure will generally be in control with scattered cloud cover to overcast cloud cover throughout the region. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s for most of the area. Mid 80s possible in a few urban areas if we could get a little bit more sunshine. For tonight, we're going to see scattered cloud cover expected with some areas of fog and low clouds also, especially along the coast, with temperatures falling off into the lower to mid 60s throughout the region. For tomorrow afternoon, that high pressure system over the Canadian Maritimes will shift further off the coast, but kind of lock in right over the Canadian Maritimes. And that's going to be a feature that's going to lead to a constant easterly wind over the region. Now, you have an easterly wind at the surface, moisture coming in at the mid-levels of southwesterly wind, and that leads to variable cloud cover and a threat for showers. It's also going to lead to a wide range of high temperatures. So for tomorrow afternoon, look for highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast, mid 70s everywhere else. On Thursday, look for a continuation of that same pattern with an easterly wind, a threat for widely scattered isolated showers capable of some very heavy downpours. Look also for scattered to broken cloud cover and also fog, especially in the morning hours. Look for lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast, and mid 70s everywhere else. On Friday, pretty much rinse and repeat. That frontal boundary will be stalling out. A new cold front will be approaching from the west. The remnant moisture from Alberta will be hanging around as well, and that's going to lead to the potential for some showers of tropical downpours. But again, not a widespread washout is expected. Just wherever these showers develop, they'll be capable of producing a half an inch to an inch of rain pretty quickly. Meanwhile, your neighbor and basically gets a tenth of an inch. So that's pretty much what we're going to be setting up here for Friday and really for much of this week. Now, temperatures on Friday will vary dependent on how far north this warm front gets. For low temperatures, look for lows in the mid to upper 60s. For high temperatures, look for temperatures to the north of this warm front, basically ranging from the lower to mid 70s, but to the south of the warm front, upper 70s to mid 80s, especially if we get some sun breaking out here over the region. On Saturday, an area of low pressure will be moving through the region with more widespread rainfall expected. Look for lows in the mid to upper 60s, highs in the mid to upper 70s. On Sunday, that frontal boundary and low pressure system hangs around with more widely scattered showers. And then these showers will be capable of some very heavy downpours as well. Look for lows in the mid to upper 60s, highs in the lower to mid 70s. On Monday, that low pressure system slowly starts to depart with showers in the morning followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Look for lows in the mid to upper 50s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. And on Tuesday, with high pressure in control, we get some sunshine, a bit of a southwesterly wind, and that allows temperatures to spike a bit with lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s and highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.